The first vehicle of this update is this scary red flatbed. It could be a dump truck though because of the bed. Interior is a little weird with a red dashboard, but the rest seems fine. Next is a new military variant of the red truck. Basically a big version of M35. Tons of seating in the bed for military transports. And interior is the exact same, but with a brown steering wheel. Finally is this new 4x4 tractor I named 747 Junior. I will say it feels pretty modern for a game taking place in 1970. Interior is kind of bland. With a top speed of 22 miles per hour, this is the new fastest tractor in the game. This was the old fastest tractor.